Hi everybody. I've been thinking about this for quite a while. Always been afraid to do it, very afraid, but today, a little bit of liquid courage, you betcha, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to take this crab concretion, nice crab concretion. I've got a grinder here with a thick padded grinder and a very thin cutoff blade stud grinder. I've got a chisel and a hammer. And with just these tools, I'm going to attempt to prep this crab out of this rock. Wish me the best of luck. I had to get the camera out of the way, otherwise this will destroy the camera. Dust and sparks are going to fly. By golly, I think that's it. Whew! Okay, that took a while. Now that there's won't be damaging the camera, but the camera a little closer in, and there it is, all done with a grinder, hammer, chisel, and a fatso grinder to do all the brunt work. Not bad. It's not perfect, but it ain't bad. That's how you prepare a fossil crab with a grinder. It can be done. I hope you enjoyed that.